This billionaire had 120 billion rupees in cash in his treasury, but the surprising thing was that he was not able to spend even a single rupee. The reason for this was a small machine placed in front of him. As soon as he put a note in the machine, a loud alarm started ringing from it. Actually, this billionaire was the biggest counterfeiter of India. He used to prepare fake notes worth about 1 crore every day. But due to this new machine, 60 tons of fake notes made by him became useless in one go. He started thinking what to do now. At that time, one of his men showed him some new fake notes, which were made by a local artisan. The most surprising thing was that those notes passed the machine's test without any alarm. The billionaire was surprised to see this. He had the most expensive technology of the country, yet how did an ordinary person make better notes than him? He immediately called that artisan. His name was Sunny. He used to be a very skilled painter once. His art was so great that it was very difficult to differentiate between the real and the fake. But one day, his girlfriend left him due to poverty. That very day, Sunny decided that he would no longer make pictures, but would make fake notes that looked like the real ones. However, India's new currency had very advanced security techniques. The most difficult among them was to copy the microtext and find patterns exactly. Digital printers could not make them properly because small broken patterns would appear in them. This is where Sunny's handcrafts came in handy. He looked at each part carefully under a microscope and made them exactly the same by hand. Then he prepared a perfect master sheet by joining those parts. After this, many improvements were made on that sheet. New layers were applied, coating and heating were done. But when it came to printing, another problem arose. The old machine could print only one color at a time, whereas the real note has 4 different colors. Then his friend Firoz, who had been working in a printing press since childhood, helped in this work. He printed all the 4 colors one by one, and then also added a shining security strip to it. This way, the fake notes were ready. But Sunny felt that these notes looked more like new ones. To make them look old like the real notes, he found a way. He soaked all the notes in tea. When they came out after drying, they started looking exactly like old real notes. Now to test them, they reached a liquor shop. The shopkeeper took the note, folded it twice, and immediately caught that the note was fake. They somehow escaped from there. After reaching home, Sunny started wondering how the notes made with so much hard work were caught. He did a test. He asked the person to close his eyes and catch the frog by mixing a real and a fake note, and the fake note was immediately identified. The reason for this was the paper on which the note was made.